In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Privacy section available here. Then hit App Lock and choose Next. Now you can tap on Change Password Type and select the best one for your apps: Pattern, Numeric Password, or Alphanumeric Password. With those two that you need keyboards for, choose Enable in the pop-up. To enable Secure Keyboard, just tap on the switcher, pick one of those, and go back. I will go with Pattern though. Now create your app lock, repeat it to confirm it, and hit Next. In case you change your mind regarding which login method or how it will look like, tap on Cancel and start over. Now you can tap on Question over here, tap on one of those and answer it, or select Custom, create your own in question description pop-up, and answer it as well. I will go with one of those though. Select Next. Tap on Confirm if you want to link your app lock to your INFINIX account, or choose Skip and do it later. Finally, enter your app lock. And to lock any apps, use gray switches right next to them. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that my app, after tapping on it, requires app lock. If you want to disable it, go back to the same section of your settings and use no green switches. Last but not least, if you want to disable app lock fully from your INFINIX, use the gear icon at the top right corner. And then use this switcher, green one, next to app lock feature. Choose Turn Off and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!